Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. We can check the battery level on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. So let's wake up the screen, and on this watch face we don't see the battery level. But if we open the watch face menu and scroll through the list, some of them do. For example, this one does, this one also does, this one doesn't, but you get the gist of it. Basically, some of the watch faces display that information. You can select them, and here we have it. Another way to check the battery level is to open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen, and here we have the battery icon, and it will display the battery level on your watch like this. And of course, once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.